Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an empties video. I have some hair care, some body care, and some skincare to share. I love doing these videos because it is so satisfying to like bulk recycle all these empty products. You'll see that in these videos, I have a lot of repeat products. These are products I purchase over and over again that I would love to recommend. Some of these things I found organically, some of these things were initially sent to me by brands, but I like them so much that I repurchase them over and over again with my own money. And when you have an abundance of products, but you still have things that you finish completely that you repurchase over and over again, I think that says a lot. First, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. I post 2 videos a week. Without further ado, let's hop in to the empties. First and foremost is Roche Posay's Tolerant Moisturizer. This is the one with SPF 30. This is my daytime moisturizer and sunscreen. Spring is coming and I'm spending a little more time outdoors lately. It's really imperative that you wear sunscreen daily, and I just love this one because it doesn't feel chalky. I also love this moisturizer in the non-SPF version that I would use for night and stick to the SPF one for the day. But I love this. I purchase it over and over again. I feel like I could cut this tube open and still get many days of use out of this. So I might do that because I feel like there's still a little residual product left in there. Moving on to body. This is also from Roche Posay. This is their Lipicar Balm AP+. This is my daily body moisturizer. It's intensely hydrating. It's buttery smooth. It blends in quickly. It just feels so good. Your legs feel buttery smooth after you use it. It's great. So this is definitely one I've already repurchased, and once that one's finished, I will repurchase again. Love this stuff a lot. It's absolutely essential that I use a fragrance-free lotion on my body right now because my skin is just so sensitive and eczema prone. I really can't handle fragrance right now. I used to, and sometimes I can, but right now my skin really just craves a fragrance-free moisturizer, so this is it for me. I also recently used up this from Aquis. This is their Everyday Eczema Lotion. This is a fragrance-free moisturizer. It's 100% vegan. If you're a cruelty-free shopper and you also have eczema-prone skin, this is a lotion I would recommend. It's a lot lighter than the Roche Posay, I will tell you that. So definitely a great option for those of you who are cruelty-free vegan shoppers, but I think this is what I'm gonna stick with because it just makes my skin feel so amazing. This is just a little less rich than the Roche Posay. So this body wash from Aveeno, this is their Skin Relief Body Wash, but it's the coconut scented version. While this is very gentle, I still prefer the totally fragrance-free version. This was a case of the wrong product showing up for my online order. I did a Target.com order where I ordered the fragrance-free Skin Relief, but the coconut one showed up in my package. So I decided to use it. It was just too much of a hassle to go return it. The fragrance-free one is actually pretty hard to find in store at Target, so I thought I'd just use this up. I will try to order the regular fragrance-free one again, or maybe try a different Target store. Long-winded answer, this is fine. I just prefer the one that is totally fragrance-free. Then we have a Trader Joe's jojoba oil. I love this. I have already repurchased, and I use this to take off my makeup at night. I kind of use it like a cleansing oil. You can use jojoba oil for like a million different things. You can use this as a hair oil, a cuticle oil, a bath oil, so many different ways to use jojoba oil. I still need to do like a Trader Joe's beauty video because I feel like there are so many great products there. I haven't tried a lot of the newer ones they've come out with in the last few years, but definitely like the sunscreen, the body butter, the jojoba oil, the hand cream, like the essentials I really am fond of. Next is the Colleen Rothschild Cleansing Balm. Absolutely love this cleansing balm. When I'm not using my jojoba oil as a cleansing oil, I'm using this as a cleansing balm. This is a very thick, luxurious spa-like cleanse. This product goes on sale every other month or so, so keep an eye out for it. When this goes on sale, I usually share about it on Instagram stories, so make sure you're following me over there. But if you have a chance to try this, it's just so luxurious. It gets everything off. I have their cocoa cleansing balm I'm actually working on at the moment, so stay tuned for more on that, but definitely love me some Colleen Rothschild cleansing balm. If you're curious about the brand, I will link my blog post down below with my best of Colleen Rothschild, all my favorite skincare products. And actually the next product is also from Colleen. This is their restorative hair mask, and you guys, I'm gonna say it. This is like my favorite hair mask of all time. Oh, and it just feels weird to say because this is not a brand that has a long history in hair. That's just like such a wild claim, but it's true. I love this hair mask so much. It makes my hair So buttery smooth, so buttery soft. My hair feels healthy, it looks healthy. I love how it looks the second day even. The shine really lasts. It's just extremely nourishing. It's a little bit musky, sandalwood. It just smells like a perfume. I feel like this smells like a Lush bath bomb, but I can't put my name on it. Definitely my favorite hair care product I've tried in a long time. Anyways, this goes in and out of stock all the time because it's that popular. When I say that this is like my favorite hair mask, I feel like I'm betraying all the hair brands I've used and the masks I've loved and the credibility I have as a blogger, but it's true. I love this so much, and don't knock it till you try it, and like don't be skeptical. When a brand branches out into different verticals, like they do skin, but they're branching out into hair or into makeup, you might question, like, is it gonna be that good? Perfect if you need shiny hair that is frizz-free, silky smooth, looks healthy, feels amazing. Get this, try it, let me know what you think. Last but certainly not least, I have a product from Aquis. Aquis has their hero product, which is their hair turban, which I have 2 of them and I love them so much. I use them every single time I wash my hair. I even travel with them back, when we used to travel. Those hair turbans are amazing. They help reduce stress on your hair, they reduce breakage, and they just help your hair air dry faster and better. They also have a suite of hair care products, so shampoos, conditioners, styling products. This is their water defense pre-wash. This is such an interesting product. It's supposed to minimize the damage. This is supposed to help with the fragility of your hair when it's wet. So this is a pre-wash treatment. So you're gonna use this on dry hair before you jump in the shower. So my biggest takeaway with this is that it was extremely detangling. Usually when I wash my hair, it's like day 3, day 4, it's pretty like dirty, pretty greasy, pretty tangly. And what I do is I spray this all over. So then you let this sit on for 2 minutes. Then you hop in the shower and go ahead and get your hair wet and start your normal shampoo and condition routine. So when I would first jump in the shower, I would notice how detangled my hair already was when I'd go into shampoo. My hair is usually, again, like a rat's nest by the time I wash it, that I really noticed a difference with this. So actually I was really surprised by how much I like this. Just was great. Made my hair feel amazing after the shower as well. I really feel like this did make a difference. So well done, Aquis. I definitely want to try more from the line. All right, friends, those are all of my recent empties. Those are all the things I've used up. Lots of great things to recommend, many repeat items as you saw. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I do empties videos monthly. Everything will be linked down below. If you have any questions, please do leave me a comment. I love reading them, love chatting with you guys, discussing beauty, life, whatever. It's a lot of fun, and that makes all of this worthwhile. Thanks again for watching. I will see you very soon in the next one.